Guys, how are you today? Welcome to a new video. Today I talk about beautiful ring and others for women. Are you ready? Let's go with me. Now look at picture number one. The design is so special. Look at the brilliant. The brilliant design is very beautiful. I love it. This design. I think it's the ring and it's very beautiful in hand. I think the young woman like this design because the design is new, is not old or wife like this design, but the mother and grandma don't like this design. Now look at ring number two. I love this design because I think it's very special. Look, the brilliant in the design is very special and I think is very beautiful in the hand. Just 3 seconds in your hand, this ring. One, two, three. Wow, I think it's very beautiful and very luxury in the hand. It's not suitable for young women, just suitable for mom and wife and grandma is not bad, I think. Enjoy this ring. And what are you think? Is okay for our age group or no? Because I think the young lady don't like this ring. Now look at this ring. This ring design is so new. I think wow, it's very new. What is this? The design is especially and I think many young women like this design and the young woman think in the hand is very luxury but the mom or grandma don't like things very luxury is not very good in the hand. I think and what everything is okay in the hand or no, write me in the comment please. And look at the design and the color. The design and color is very specially. I love the color. I love it. This design is very new. Look at this ring. The diamond in this ring is very beautiful and the design is very new. And your wife or mom or grandma don't like this design because this age group think is not okay and is not very luxury. Just think, but the young one thing is very luxury and the design is very special and luxury in the hand. Just okay for young one like the design is very beautiful. I love it this design because it's very new and very beautiful in the hand. Just 3 seconds. Imagine in your hand this ring. One, two, three. It's very beautiful in your hand. I love it your hand. Now look at this design. It's very nice. I love it this design. Look at the diamond and brilliant. It's very nice. And color is not bad. It's okay, but these stones I think is not suitable for this part. And suitable for jacket is very nice and I see you in the other picture and I think the young woman don't like this design but your wife and mom and grandma like this design because I think it's very special. Look in another picture. Look, it's very nice in the jacket. I love it. And I think it's suitable for men is not bad. But what are things suitable for men or no? Write me in the comment please. Thank you so much my friend for watching this video. See you tomorrow my friend. I love you all. Before go out, please like, subscribe and share this video for friends and comment for me. I hope enjoy this collection. I wish a beautiful day for all the weeks. I love you all. Goodbye, my friend.